And then after they cut them, they have to keep all the smallest together, all the largest together.
Yes.
So it can become an admin nightmare, but they do it all the time. The knitted fabric, like sportswear fabric, it will stretch on the roll. So they have to relax it. They let it sit out.
So I see they're very meticulous here. Why are they stacking them in layers like this?
So basically, this is how the garment industry achieves economies of scale, because they're cutting this fabric in layers. Think of a tailor. When you go to tailor, they just are making one shirt for you or one blazer,
yes.
and they just have one layer of fabric, and they have your pattern. They measure you, they make the pattern, then they put the pattern on top of the fabric, and then they cut. That's how a tailor works.
Okay.
But this is bulk manufacturing.
Yeah.
And so they lay the fabric out on the cutting tables, sometimes as much as 100 layers thick.
Wow.
Yeah, and imagine if it's like hoodie fabric, the fabric itself is very thick. Sometimes the layers can be this high.
Yeah.
And so the question is, what is the blade? What is the scissors that they use? So let me show you. So this is an industrial scissor.
Wow. So that would be for something thicker.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the fabric can be this high.
Wow.
And this will cut through fabric like a hot knife can cut through butter.
Wow.
It will chop your hand off, your finger off in a heartbeat.
Yeah.
So they have metal gloves that they wear. This is the marker. And what they'll do is after they stack the fabric, then they'll lay this out on top.
Yes.
And you can see how they have these pins keeping the fabric taut. And then when they put the marker, that's called the marker,
Yes.
on top, then they cut along the lines.
Yep.
And then you get your panels. And these panels are then bundled together. Because like this might be size small, size medium, size large. And then after they cut them, they have to keep all the smallest together, all the largest together.
Yes.
So it can become an admin nightmare, but they do it all the time.
Yeah.
And then so they're used to it. So they bundle them after they cut them, and then they move them. Like here, you can see.
Yeah. Look at
You
that.
see?
Look, yeah.
So like they're bundled together. Wow.
Yeah.
Right. This is one garment, and it's labeled, and then from here it goes to the sewing lines.
Yes.
One other thing. So both of these fabrics are woven, and if it's knitted fabric, they have to relax it 24 hours before cutting, because the knitted fabric, like sportswear fabric, it will stretch on the roll.
Okay.
When it's being transported.
Yes.
So they have to relax it. They let it sit out, and it comes back to its natural shape.
Yes.
Because shrinkage is huge.
Yes.
Right? You got to control shrinkage. Otherwise, it'll be out of spec as per the tech pack.
Yeah, of course.
And then it doesn't pass the inspection.